Hello everyone, this is Ultimus Prime. I'm going to make a follow-up video to the video I just made about Birds of Prey because I found this Birds of Prey world premiere in London. I think it just happened actually. It says it only has 11,000 views. I think it just happened. And I gave it a downvote because I'm not interested in this movie, and I'm going to tell you why. So first off, let's look at the casting. Okay? I put it on mute. So, is that Victor Zsasz? If anyone knows comic, this is Victor Zsasz. Okay, this is Victor Zsasz in DC Comics. He's bald, and when he kills someone, he gives them, and he etches himself like 1, 2. I killed 10 people. Whatever. This is Victor Zsasz. He is bald. He's a crazy bald guy. Is that Victor Zsasz? No. No. Not in any way imaginable. Ewan McGregor, the casting's okay as a Black Mask. But some of these friggin'... Okay, this girl here, this pudgy Filipino girl, is supposed to be Cassandra Cain. Athletic Asian. Yeah. Doesn't really look like it. With short hair, see in the comics how she has short hair? Oh, she doesn't have short hair. This is Huntress, this like cosplay uniform. This is the actual Huntress from the comics. Long dark hair, gorgeous, athletic body. Yeah, this is like some cosplay. The worst is this one. This is supposedly Black Canary, a racially diverse woman with black hair with yellow or with blonde highlights. Apparently that's Black Canary, wearing an outfit like she just went to the opera. Well, maybe not the opera, more like the club. She went to the club. So this is what Black Canary looks like in the comics, with fishnet bottoms. Like all leather. This is Black Canary, a blonde. And let's go way back. Look at this. Blonde. Long hair, blonde hair. What? That looks nothing like this character. So we have 1, 2, 3, Victor Zsasz, 4. I don't even know whose character this one is supposed to be. This does not look like superhero. This looks like Harley Quinn found 5 people to go to the club with. Like, this is completely insane. And I talked about my last video about how the director thinks Gotham is this like pastel or this neon colored fun place. That's not Gotham City. That's not Gotham City in any comic book. Okay. Let's continue. I don't care about that. Yeah, this woman is Black Canary. Can you see why she isn't blonde hair white woman? She is racially diverse, short hair, black, strong, powered woman person. You can just see identity politics all over this movie. This woman's face actually does kind of look like her face, but where's the hair? Where's the long black hair? That is Huntress in every friggin' example. She has long dark hair in every single comic interaction or interpretation of the character. She's supposed to be, I think she's the daughter of Bruce Wayne. Like, she's supposed to be like this badass woman. And we get a librarian instead. That's cool. This is the worst. This girl is 13 years old, which is around the age of what the character is supposed to be. But how, like, this pudgy Filipino girl is supposed to be this? What? What? She looks like she has zero athleticism. She's 13 years old. Like, what? Who did the casting for this movie? And I'm gonna do a clip. That's the director, Kathy Yan. So look, this girl, 13 years old, Ella J. Basco. Listen to how she talks.
On the role of
She's 13.
Cassandra Cain. Ella J. Basco, welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here.
I mean, it's amazing. This is your very... How difficult was it to keep it?
I'm so glad to be here.
I mean, it's amazing. This is your very first film.
She's in a DC movie, and this is her very first ever movie. What? Your resume doesn't matter, dude. So just, if you're watching this video, your resume doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is your identity, okay? So let's continue.
How difficult was it to keep it a secret when you found out you got this role?
I was so excited. It was super hard to keep it a secret because I just wanted to, like, scream to the world that I was here.
What was it like on that first day of set as well?
It was super exciting. I was with Margot, and we hugged, and it was such a welcoming and supportive experience, and everybody is just so nice, and it was a dream.
How proud does it make you feel to be in such a stellar cast? Because, like, there's no weak links in this film. Everyone is just badass.
They all look like they couldn't beat up anyone. I don't know where badass comes from.
To be here and to be standing next to such amazing women. They're like my big sisters now and role models, and they're just amazing.
Has taking on the character of Cassandra given you more confidence?
A little bit, definitely. Cassandra does have a bit of confidence, and she's super independent, and I think that transformed into real life of me being a little more confident, definitely.
So that is true. Cassandra Cain is, I think her dad died or something. She's kind of estranged, so that is true that she's independent. But watch what she says next.
What was the most fun part of the movie that you filmed? Because there's a lot of chases in there, a lot of action. What was your most enjoyable part?
I think the most fun part for me was the funhouse carousel scene. I just got to see all of the women punch a bunch of guys, and like right in front.
I saw all the women punch a bunch of guys. Let's hear that again.
I think the most fun part for me was the funhouse carousel scene. I just got to see all of the women punch a bunch of guys, and like right in.
She paused and she said guys because she had to think about it. Oh, who was in that scene? Who did I beat up? Yeah, it was all men. A 13-year-old girl is beating up 200-pound men. Welcome to this feminist fantasy land that woke Hollywood has created. A 13-year-old girl's favorite scene in a movie was beating up men. Woman power!
In front of my face, which was super cool.
It was like super cool to like beat up men. Don't you love it? I'm only a 13-year-old actress, but I love beating up men. This is ridiculous. This guy.
Pretty low in the canon of villain.
This guy's not Victor Zsasz. What an embarrassment. And here's my favorite interview. This is the director.
Your premiere is finally happening.
I know.
After all those months of shooting, after all those long edits, it is on. How excited excited are you for people to see it?
I'm very, very excited and a little nervous, but mostly excited.
I
Yeah.
think you can definitely tell this film has got a woman's touch.
Thank you.
It's a feminist allegory film about left-wing women who hate men. Yeah.
How was it just sort of making sure that it didn't have that kind of typical sort of male gaze that we're so used to seeing with female comic book characters?
Wow, they are so damaged. These people are so damaged.
Sure. I mean, I think it was just a lot of fun, and we all collaborated and worked together.
We all collaborated and worked together because we don't know the source material.
And I just followed my gut, and
She followed her gut because this is the second movie she's ever made.
and I think the story is really interesting and relevant right now, and
The story is relevant. Women beating up men and doing drugs. Yeah, topical in 2020.
I found it very very personal in a way.
Yeah, because what was it about Harley Quinn and
She found it very personal seeing a 100-pound women beating up 200-pound men for no reason.
taking her to a different journey that excited you? What attracted you to meeting this character?
Well, I think we get to see a different side of her in this movie. We get to see her way more vulnerable. We get to see her alone and single and independent.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god, independent women are like amazing.
We get to see so many different sides of her, so that's really fun and exciting.
I mean, yeah, Margot, acted as a producer.
So
in
exciting.
the movie as well as an actor. How was it like working with her? Good job, definitely made me happy. Kathy,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, Kathy Yan. Credit Dead Pigs. Yeah, that's the only movie she have ever done. But thank you for being on a $200 million movie with Harley Quinn and DC Comics. Like, you were only hired because of your identity. Ooh. Ooh.
Hit you in the face.
Now this is just cringe.
At the start. How much has Harley stayed with you, and how much has Renee stayed?
They have no idea who these characters are. I tell you, all they did was read a script. This is all fake. This is all facade. They don't know anything, especially this one here and this one. Harley, or Margot Robbie, I think she actually likes Harley Quinn, and because now this is her second or third movie with DC, so I think she's actually interested in the character, but everyone else, they're completely clueless. So, Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of the One Harley Quinn. In theaters, February 7th. Get your tickets now. All you feminists out there, like, get your tickets now so you can be like first row and have no toxic males sitting next to you because you like bought the whole row tickets because you're like a powerful feminist woman who like makes a lot of money. Yes, queen slay.